Still doing basic color prints? Check out DTF Local Foiling, add a premium metallic touch to your designs. Step 1. Precision printing. Color ink and adhesive layers are output simultaneously, laying the foundation for foiling. Step 2. Heat press at 160 degrees Celsius. Transfer the design perfectly onto the fabric with sharp edges and strong color fastness. Step 3. Apply the specialized foil. A second press ensures the metallic film adheres precisely to the pattern. Time to witness the magic. A simple peel reveals even the finest lines perfectly, no bleeding, no mess. Unbeatable texture and wash resistant. DTF Local Foiling, premium custom quality at a low cost.